Hi, welcome back, techies. This is a short session. In this session, we will be discussing looping in Set. We have already learned looping in other data types. Similarly, here we can use for loop to iterate over the elements. Let us demonstrate this using an example. Here we have a set called animal and we have 3 elements in it. Now if we want to iterate over elements in the set, we will have to use for loop, and each element can be represented using a variable x. And using keyword to search through animal set. Now printing out x will give us each element one by one. This is how we can loop through a set. So this is the end of session. As I have said, it was a short session. Hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Algomiz. Happy programming to all techies.